Did you know you can use peppermint to get rid of your cough quickly? Peppermint contains menthol, which gives it that minty taste. It also helps break down mucus. To use peppermint for cough, brew peppermint tea and drink it warm, or inhale peppermint vapor from a steam bath. Making a steam bath is easy. You can add 3 to 4 drops of peppermint oil for every 150 milliliters of hot water. Put a towel over your head and take deep breaths above the water to inhale the vapors. Simple, quick, and very effective against cough. Try it!